Hello again, my beautiful YouTube family. I promised you another unboxing. I was waiting for these two boxes. Those are fun boxes from Thredup. I decided to open them both today because, believe it or not, I don't have a dead pile and I have nothing to post in my Poshmark closet. I've been trying to be consistent and post every day at least 3 to 5 items, new items rather. And these boxes have 10 items each. Now, I do not know if everything is worth posting. I believe they only send new tag items, although not value items. It's fun boxes. So I don't expect much, but I expect to have at least 5 items to post for my today's challenge. And by the way, they come from Mechanicsburg. I don't know if this is relevant. Many of you that order these boxes swear by Mechanicsburg. They are believed to have the best boxes, but let's see. They have 10 items inside from the start. This is a Spanx sealed, brand new, color black pair of tights. Sorry about that. I just clipped my microphone here. I noticed without the microphone the audio is really bad. So I'm just gonna look ugly right now. Okay. Alright, next up is a hat, an ombre hat that seems to be new. It's adjustable by Interhat. Beautiful straw hat that's good for the summer. I'm just gonna post this at $10-15. You know, on Poshmark or any reselling platform for that matter, we don't have a season, so this would spark somebody's attention and grab it. A set of 3 silk scrunchies, or silky, I don't know if it's silk. It's sealed, I cannot open it. So a bunch of accessories. This one is a headband by J. Crew. It looks like it's cotton, which is really good. It feels like quality. This is a bag charm, a sequence, and this is some bracelet. Oh no, this is a necklace. This is a necklace built from those shell chips, colored shell chips. I guess I'm gonna use these for free gifts with purchase. Vera Bradley, brand new with tag. Checkbook, a bunch of bandanas by Time and True. I have 4 over here. Next up is a very cute bralette by Wild Fable. This is also a brand that's sold at Walmart and it's a size small. Then your mandatory socks by J. Crew. I love these elephants. Look at this. So pretty. And we have a very pretty stretch bracelet watch, brand new with tags, by Nixon. I love this color. It's like a burnt orange. It's just acrylic, but it's very cute. And the last item is a very pretty sheer kaftan, open front kaftan by Love Rish with a lot of embroidery. It's very heavily embroidered at the bottom. It can be worn in the summer. You can do a bohemian beach wedding. I don't know. It's a fun accessory. So I think this box has been fun altogether. But if you have any thoughts, let me know down in the comments. So if you want to grab anything that you've seen so far, I'll put my Poshmark link down below and feel free to send me an offer. Alright, so let's attack box number 2 and see what we have. Ooh, mystery. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so Halloween is gone, but this is funny. This is a fox kit ears and tail, which is really cute. This is a headpiece and this is a tail that has a clip. Oh my god, I would have totally used that for Halloween. So cute. I am still posting this. All right, so here's another one of those silky scrunchies. Again, this is sealed, I cannot open. And a pair of smiley slippers, fuzzy slippers. These are used, but they're in good condition. I need to be able at least to make my money back, so, and have fun in the process, because this is fun. All right, this is a polyester cover for the beach. Very pretty floral print, very colorful and sheer. I don't see a tag. Oh, yeah, 100% polyester, made in India. I don't see a brand. I guess this is one of those generic covers that you can find anywhere, really. I should be able to post this for $15–20 and take offers, but this is pretty and very light. And of course, again, your mandatory socks. These are compression socks and it's a size medium. New with tags, always good. Oh my god, this is really pretty. It's silly, but it's pretty. Look at this. It's a little small on me, but guess what? They're entirely made of beads. I love this color. This is like a Barbie bubblegum pink. It closes at back like a necklace. It has like a 5-inch extender. It's not stretchy, but look how fun. Oh my god. This screams festival. Screams festival. Wow. There's no marking on it, and I suppose this is made by hand, but this is fun. And just to stay within the theme, the color theme, this is a bag strap. This should bring a lot of fun to any boring summer bag. You can attach it to any bag. So all these pieces are not very valuable. 2 hats that seem to be new. This one has no markings, but it's a fun bucket hat for the summer, for girls or adults. And a new with tag organic cotton beanie, which I'm very happy about. Organic cotton sells very well, especially since it's new with tag. I'm gonna post this one first. It is unisex. And we have some sunglasses. Tory Burch. Oh my god. Okay, this is the most valuable item in the boxes, in 2 boxes actually. This is a Tory Burch retro pair of sunglasses, really cute, with dark blue frame, acrylic frame. And I don't see any scratches, any scratches whatsoever. These are in very good condition. They seem to be for a small face. My face is not that small, but oh my god. All right, so I have to research these. I'm gonna put here on the screen what the value would be and what the comps would be. Too bad I don't have a case for them, but for sure I'm gonna be able to find one just to make it more appealing. We have a fashion bracelet set, one of those stretch bracelets with wooden beads, and another bracelet. It's like one of those summery bracelets. And the last piece in the box is again some hair accessories. We have a faux leather headband with a knot. It's very soft. Maybe I'll keep it for myself. And also this beaded floral elastic headband that's sealed again. And that's it. That's the last one. So what do you guys think? Did we have fun? I had fun, but my phone kept dying and I have to delete a lot of stuff from my phone because I have no more space. But anyway, if you had fun, please let me know. I will see you soon. Bye.